Good afternoon. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Shoretel mobility client to access your voicemail on your cell phone, as well as to place calls on your cell phone as if you were in the office using your normal phone. The first thing you want to do is go to portal.shoretelsky.com. You're going to want to put in your email address, and then you're going to want to reset your portal password. This is actually important because this is what helps provision the phone at the later steps when we get there. So just go ahead and click on reset password. They should send you a password in your email. Just go ahead and go to Outlook, fire it up, see what's going on. There we go. As you can see, this is an incredibly cumbersome password, so just go ahead and copy and paste that and go back and return to the login page. So use your email address, use the password they gave you, log in, and thankfully they will let you change it to something that is actually user-friendly, such as my cat's name is Dog. But you didn't hear me say that. Anyway, I would say that you do not need to be notified that you have changed your password because you're doing it right now, so just go ahead and hit OK. And that takes care of the actual web portion of things. So now whenever you want to go into the portal, you can just go ahead and do that. In the portal, there are some fun things to do. I sent a video out on that earlier. But anyway, the main thing you want to do is, let me pull up the video, see how this looks, is go to the App Store and download the Shoretel mobility client. So I'm going to go ahead and hit install. It's going to want to look at everything in the world. I'm going to accept. And it's going to download. This is 17 megs. See how it progresses. It's actually going pretty fast. So I'll just record it. We can just go download, go. There we go. It's going to install it. And it's good sweet time. And then you can just go ahead and open it. So, this is a Shoretel mobility app. First thing you're going to see is the provisioning screen. This is basically where you tell your phone that it is your office phone. You got an emergency call warning, which basically states that 911, if you dial 911 within the native Shoretel dialer, it will go to where your registered phone is. So if you're in DC and you're dial 911 via the Shoretel dialer, they're going to wind up in Alexandria. So best bet is if you're in an emergency, use your normal phone to dial 911. Don't use Shoretel. So just go ahead and accept that. If you really want to, you can help them out, but we're not going to be that helpful. So we're going to go ahead and put in username. Give me 1 second. Username and password. 42 Savage. Vision Council. .org. And my password is super secret. There we go. You go ahead and hit next. It's going to provision. This is going to take a second. And there you go. You have now provisioned this phone to act as your normal work phone. So just go ahead and hit next. It's going to provision a little bit longer. Provision. And there you go. I don't care. There we go. So this is a Shoretel mobility app. I'm going to run you through it real quick. It does have tutorials. You can see, tap here, swipe here to show the menu, manual call routing, video demo. You might want to check it out. Or I just say don't show this again because I've been through this, but you might want to. Anyway, this is the native dialer. As you can see, it's got my extension up top. It shows I'm available in blurry vision. And you can make video calls to other people who are using the mobility client if you really want to. Anyway, basically, if you dial any number from here, it will go out and look like it's coming from your office phone. This is a good benefit because if you're out on the road and you have to dial vendors, whatever, you don't want them getting your cell phone number because they might call you up at 3 a.m. or something like that. So this will show them that it's coming from your office phone, which is awesome. So one thing else you will note is you can just go ahead and directly dial extensions. So I'm going to go ahead and pester Sunny again. You can see the enterprise call number changed, so that's good. Hey, Sonny, just bothering you again. Testing the phone. All right, thank you. Bye-bye. I just tried another video and it went terribly, so this is try number 4. Anyway, so as you can see, you can dial. That's great. Cool things are, you just go ahead and hit that. You got more, tap here, do this, do that. I'm going to say don't show again. You can change your availability. Are you on the road? Don't bother me, etc., etc. You can also do videos here. You can have your favorites and contacts. You can call recents. Let's see. Yeah, you can see I called Sonny, called this guy. I ordered subs, and of course Cindy. And cool thing here is you can actually get to your voicemails. Unfortunately, right now, Shoretel is having technical issues with being able to remotely dial into your voicemail to get your voicemails. Whoa, you broke it. Of course it's going to look stupid. All right, let's try that again. Let me pause this. There we go. So for some reason you just had a blip. You just click on voicemail. It goes out and pulls all your voicemails. You can see that like Mike Daly dialed me, 14 seconds, left a message. And this guy down here called me a bunch. He must really like me. That's me actually. But you just click on one, click on Mike and hit the play button, and you'll be able to hear his voicemail.
Mike Daly
yep.
Is about...
So there you go. You can also give him a call back. You can delete him. I've already listened to this voicemail from Mike a zillion times, so I'll just go ahead and kill it.
Mike Daly
or not.
About,
anyway. Mike really wants to talk to me. Anyway, so that's how you can get your voicemail. And cool thing is you can also send messages, like IMs to other people who are using the mobility client, as well as groups of people who are using the mobility client. And it also has your calendar for today, or the week actually. You can see tonight I'm going to go see Mystery Science Theater 3000 Rift Tracks, then I've got a friend's birthday, and Sydney's getting a physical, and then we got Marty being here on Friday. So that's about it. I'll be sending out a PDF on all the bells and whistles with using the mobility client, but it's pretty straightforward and simple. Cancel, cancel, cancel. There you go. So once again, use the dialer to make it appear you're calling from your office phone. Set your availability, check your voicemail, send messages, and access your calendar. That's about all there is to it. I appreciate you bearing with me and taking the time to check this out. Thanks.